Well, hello there, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony and we're here to go watch Bruce Boudreau. He is a singer and performer here in South Texas. He actually lives in South Texas, and looking forward to he's going to do a dance for us, and I'm going to get you some video of some of his performance. So maybe, who knows, maybe if you are here in South Texas and you find out he's playing somewhere, you can come check out one of his shows. So that'd be good. So he sometimes performs with one other guy that's with him, but I don't think that guy's going to be with him today. He's a guitarist, but he's really good. I've seen him before. I've seen him. I saw him at the with the other video I did. It had some other people going in, different performers and stuff at what they call the showcase. So he did a really good job there. So we're going to go in this building here, which is at the RV park, and we're going to go in and help get him set up. So come along with me, because you just entered the Coolest Life Performance Edition. Well, that was a really good show. I really enjoyed the company. I really enjoyed his show. Bruce does such a great performer. He's got a great, smooth voice, and he definitely plays a little variety. So if you're interested in maybe trying to book him here in South Texas, by all means, give him a call. I'll put his information down below in the description, so you can give him a call and see what his slate is like. He's also performing in different places, and I'll put that here at the end of this video as far as where he's performing here locally. I think I got a schedule through the rest of the month or something like that. But I'll let me see, through the rest of the season, I should say. Let's take a look at it right now. Maybe I got it. if I can unfold with one in one hand. So yeah, he's got a really serious schedule. That's it right there. You can see it's all the way down here. That's just February dates. So, wow, that's a lot for 1 month. Let me tell you, some of these are the same dates. Sometimes he can do a show at noon and then do another one later in the day. This is our season down here in South Texas. So when you're in South Texas, there's a lot going on, and these January, February, March are their main times. But he can come play at a stage just like this here, or a stage near you. Be sure to check him out. Definitely worth it, 100%. Really enjoyed. Again, he's very personable and just got a great, smooth voice, and is a really good showman. It takes requests, so that's always good. So be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you on down the road, because I need to get back here living the cool life.